Gotta mark the other spots first.
Mainly gonna lose that baby fur, huh, boy?
As soon as I give him another bath, which I keep meaning to do, and just the weather hasn't cooperated. What happened? I missed it.
He's like, you want to lift, but...
They're silly.
You're a goof. You're a big old furry goof. You're thinning out.
Yes, he's on the thin side at the moment.
You're not a chunky puppy anymore either.
Chunky, yes, but
He's
thinner.
not overly chunky.
No.
Underneath.
He's just muscular. He's big frame. Yeah, I need to do some grooming. Randy, you look so pretty and nice and neat compared to these guys.
They'd be beautiful too if they had my life. I do nothing but lay around.
And they're pretty anyway, aren't they, Flora? Yes, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah.
She says, Mama says I'm a good lead dog.
Are you a good lead dog? Yeah. Think so?
We got good work ethics.
Oh. Hi.
And we give great hugs.
Great hug. Oh, and kisses too? You do?
Kick his butt, Rennie. Kick your brother's butt. That's a girl. Get him, Rennie.
I know, you're too adorable to get, aren't you? But you're just going to turn around and kick her ass. I know how you are. And then when you're all done, you'll lay here and look at me like, I ain't going in there. Get her, Rennie.
Get her, Rennie.
Get him, Rennie. He's the one who needs it.
Oh, okay. Look at her looking.
Hi, Laura. Hi, Laura.
Mirin Borealis. How are you, beautiful? Hey. Oh, okay. Thank you. Again? Okay.
Hi, Laura. Yes, Laura, I love you too.
We tricked them, didn't we? We tricked them. Oh, watch out. Get up.
Get him in! Get him in! Oh, Zeke, you're mean.
She asked for it. You gotta get that girl in shape, don't you? Get her, Rennie. Oh, Rennie!
Poor Rennie. She's not going to want to come over here anymore. Hey, careful. Get him in, good girl. I do believe she misses Bella. No, it's not nice, Zeke.
He's your sister. You're supposed to be nice. Oh, be nice, though. She is my sister. Are we out of shape, girl? Look at you panting.